Greetings, salutations. Welcome to our segment on Portswigger Web Security Academy. We are covering SQL injection, union-based attacks. Today, we'll be retrieving multiple values in a single column. All right, as always, we'll go ahead and scroll down and click Access the Lab to get that started, and we'll read what we need to do. This lab contains an SQL injection vulnerability in the product category filter, so that's important. The results from the query are returned in the application's response, so you can use a union attack to retrieve the data from the other table. The database contains a different table called users with columns called username and password, password, not plural. To solve the lab, perform a SQL injection union attack that retrieves all usernames and passwords and use the information to log in as the administrator user. All right, that sounds pretty fun, doesn't it? All right, so let's go on over here and we'll probably click on something like gifs. And when we do, we got the filter, question mark, categories, equal gif. So to verify if we have SQL injection, we'll do our little apostrophe, enter. Okay, so we got internal server. So we got something. So like we have done in the past, we'll open up this little guy. Oh, look, our little stuff is here still, right? So let's see how many columns there are. We'll do this one that has the 3 nulls, right? So apostrophe, union, space, select, space, null, comma, null, space. Okay. So that's 3 nulls there. Let's see, nothing. Let's go ahead and remove one of these nulls. See what happens. That works. Okay. So we know that is going to be one of our key here. Let's go and come down here and it's going to work with at least this. Okay. So what I recommend is we're just going to copy that one more time to give our little cheat sheets. Let's see if we change this to an A. So can we put string data in this one? Let's find out, shall we? So I can copy and paste. All right. So going to go here and erase all of that and see. No, we can't. Okay, so next we'll try it again, but we'll move our string that we're trying to use on the far right side, the second null. And we'll see if this works for us. Okay, see the bottom one, there's an A. So we got something. Okay, so we know we can mess with that. That's a start, guys. That's a start. All right, so if we come back over here, when we click back, I just want to show you something that's pretty cool. Is if we scroll down, there's this SQL cheat sheet. But we will be using this manner here as our guidance. First, I'm going to copy that. I'm going to click continue. Because we do have that cheat sheet here, which is great. I believe down here it actually mentions some of that. So this will be something we'll be using. Back over here. We don't necessarily need the pursuit there, so we'll come down here, and so we're going to be focusing on how this works. Okay, so we'll be using this here in a second. Okay, so what we'll be doing is we're going to be doing the union select null comma username from users, because users is the table, right? So we're going to copy that, we're going to paste it up here, and we can actually see the administrator accounts and other users. So with that same regard, what if we changed it and instead of usernames, could we do password or password, right? Let's see if this works. And that one works. But what if I want to have them both here together at the same time? We need to know what version. Something we can do is concatenate the strings together. So like username, password, but we don't know which version of these that we do. So the way to find out is we come down for versions, okay? So we could try this select right here, like this version at version. So what we'll do, we'll kind of make another drop here, and we'll give it all this and do like at what was it? Lowercase version. Okay. Okay. Whoops. So we forgot we needed the null part there. So let's put and try that in. All right, so we'll do these two here, which we pulled from the cheat sheet. Come down here, you'll see the version. Try those out real quick. Let's try the bottom one, I guess, first. What happens? You think get that service error. So back, I'm gonna try the one above it. See if we get any better results with that one. Okay, there we go. So we know the version is this Postgres SQL. With that in mind, if we come back to the top, we can concatenate these strings by using this method here. Okay. copy that, come back over here so we can get an idea of what we need to do. Cool. So what we're going to do is kind of take that idea. We're going to do the password. And we need to put it in parentheses or quotation marks, like so, I guess. Or double pipe, and we'll do users. You just username. And we put that also in pair of quotes, I believe. And we'll copy. And we'll paste this up here. What we get. Hey! Look at this. That's not right, is it? Okay, let's take another look at what we did. Alright. So we took the idea of this food bar from the cheat sheet. And we are going to attempt this. Let's see what we get. And we put that there. Okay, so we're getting usernames and the passwords mixed together. So that's a starting point. Let's see what we got to do to spread those out so we don't have that jarring. Look up here, they put this little tilde thing. So let's try that. We'll put that in there, and we'll do another pipe, and a space. Trying to take from their idea on the previous one. And let's get rid of this and input made. And now we know that is the administrator password. Sweet. All right, so we also can see the other stuff down here, like Carlos, and I guess the username Wiener as well. So let's document what we learned. And let's come back over here. Let's go to my account, and we will copy the administrator or username, and then we'll come over here, and we will take this password, if I can copy, highlight, right, and we'll paste it in, and ding ding ding! Congratulations, you have solved the lab. Congratulations, guys. Good job. Hope you had fun with this. And I want you guys to remember to stay ethical, stay safe,